Now let's investigate finding the gradient of e to the x on our calculators. So we're going to sketch e to the power of x, and you already know what that graph looks like. I'm going to move the equation over. I'm going to move my axes down, so just click and drag so we can see everything. Now, I could just add a tangent and find the equation of that tangent, but I also want a point on the line so I can see what my y value of the point is in addition to the gradient of the tangent. So there's an extra step. So menu, geometry, I'm going to start by adding a point. Right, point on. And I click on the curve and then I click again and we can see that point. Okay, so if that point moves with my cursor, you can see the coordinates change, right? So I need that information, which you would have seen from the previous video with my screenshot. Now what we're going to do, back into menu, geometry, points and lines, but now we're going to add a tangent. Now I could have done this straight off if all I wanted was the equation of the tangent. Okay, but I needed to be able to compare it to the coordinate. So I go to that point that I've already got and I click on that and I click it again and move the wrong thing. There's the equation of my tangent and there is my point. Now, let's move them so you can see it a little bit better. Okay, so you can see that the gradient of my tangent is the same as my y value, which demonstrates that the derivative of e to the x is e to the x, or the y value. If you move that point along, you can see it does not matter where you are. That rule applies.